Well, today at a lunch with Republican senators, President Trump stood firm on his demands that Democrats vote to end the government shutdown.
But 21 days into this stalemate, there's no indication they plan to do that. CBS's Erica Brown joins us live in Washington tonight. Erica, no funding vote scheduled for today, so the shutdown will likely continue at least until tomorrow.
That's right, and this shutdown has now become the second longest in U.S. history. And President Trump today insists that his party will not back down or concede to the Democrats' demands on health care that remain at the center of the standoff. And both parties still say that there are no active negotiations underway, while critical government food assistance programs could soon be at risk.
At a Rose Garden lunch with Senate Republicans Tuesday, President Trump blamed Democrats for the ongoing government shutdown and made it clear his party will not budge.
From the beginning, our message has been very simple. We will not be extorted on this crazy plot of theirs.
Senate Majority Leader John Thune said Republicans were united in their refusal to negotiate with Democrats until after a funding bill is passed to reopen the government.
Everybody here has voted now 11 different times to open up the government, and we are going to keep voting to open up the government, and eventually the Democrats, hopefully sooner or later, are going to come around.
Democrats continue to hold out for extended Affordable Care Act subsidies and reversals to cuts to Medicaid.
Republicans may not have time to fix people's health care, but apparently they got plenty of time for a mini pep rally with Donald Trump.
As the stalemate drags on, some states are warning the food assistance program known as SNAP could run out of funding, and recipients might not receive full benefits come November.
If SNAP is lost, it will devastate this community.
At the Capuchin Soup Kitchen in Detroit, one mother says making ends meet on federal assistance is already a challenge.
It shouldn't be that you got to go in your pocket later to get cash that's going to short your bill. Well, one bill won't get paid today, just to make sure your children and you have food.
With SNAP funding uncertain, food pantries across the country are preparing for the increased need and are urging people in a position to help to consider donating.
Now, although previous votes to reopen the government had failed 11 times, the Senate Majority Leader says the Senate could also take up a separate measure to pay some essential workers during this shutdown. Lisa?
Erica Brown live at the White House. Thanks, Erica.